Understanding is more valuable than speed in chemistry because knowing why reactions happen and how measurements work prevents mistakes, makes experiments reproducible, and leads to safer, more meaningful results. Think of chemistry like following a recipe and knowing why each ingredient matters. If you only rush through steps, you might mix the wrong things or miss a safety step. When you truly understand concepts like concentration, reaction mechanisms, and measurement, you can predict what will happen and fix problems if they arise. Speed can lead to sloppy technique, like poor mixing or inaccurate measuring, which gives wrong results that waste time and materials. Taking the time to learn the logic behind procedures makes future experiments faster and more reliable because you avoid repeating errors. Students often assume faster means better and skip careful preparation, which leads to contamination or incorrect proportions. So take time to set up and measure accurately. Another common mistake is memorizing steps without understanding why, which causes confusion when conditions change. So focus on the underlying principles so you can adapt. Many forget to double-check units and calculations, which makes answers meaningless. So always recheck units and work through calculations slowly. For more videos and resources on why comprehension matters in chemistry, visit www.gumballdegree.com.